Techspray's ESD-SAFE products help maintain work areas within the S2020 standards set by the ESD Association. Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, occurs when the charges of two surfaces with a large electric potential equalize instantaneously. The resulting discharge or spark can cause catastrophic or latent damage to electronic components. Manufacturers and repair facilities that work on static-sensitive equipment need to closely follow the S2020 standards to prevent this destructive static discharge. ESD programs try to equalize the electric potential by keeping surfaces, tools, equipment, and even people in continuous contact with ground. So when there's a buildup of a charge, it simply bleeds off in a controlled way, avoiding that sudden spark. Techspray's cleaners, lotions, and coatings are an integral part of maintaining an ESD control program. Lycron Crystal is a permanent, transparent ESD-SAFE coating that can be applied to tools, surfaces, bins, and even boxes. Zero Charge Anti-Stat is a temporary coating for fabrics and flexible surfaces that impedes static generation. Zero Charge Matte and Tabletop Cleaner safely cleans flux and other residues off of ESD-SAFE surfaces and brings them back to life. Zero Charge Screen and Keyboard Cleaner cleans equipment surfaces and leaves behind static dissipative material that prevents static generation. Zero Charge Floor Coating is a high-gloss floor finish that can turn any sealed floor into an ESD-SAFE surface. And finally, Zero Charge ESD Hand Lotion helps maintain contact with wrist straps even in the driest conditions. Reach out to us and let our technical specialists guide you to the best products for your S2020 requirements.